AirAsia Flight 22884 was boarding Chinese Tuna boarding to 8105. Requesting indication on the itineraries on AirAsia Flight 22884. Please board the aircraft to 8105 on board, please.
Cebu Pacific 95J8.
To all Cebu Pacific guests on flight 5G5088 bound for Nagoya, Japan, we would like to inform you that your flight will be delayed due to further servicing of the aircraft to ensure safety standards are adhered to. And as of this time, we are unable to provide you with an estimated time of departure yet. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience this may have caused you, and rest assured that we are looking into all possible options to ensure your safety and comfort. Kindly stay inside the pre-departure area so we can keep you updated on any further developments on our flight.
Cebu Pacific Flight 5J110 bound for Hong Kong is now inviting guests under boarding group number 3. You may now board the aircraft through boarding gate number 108.
Bagal na. Shady na. Kaya nga nagano na ako, yan ako na yun. Nakakaramdam na ako ng bagal lang ano yun. Thank you, ma'am. Uy, nauna na. Kasama ko.